Yes, guys. Yes, guys. How's it going? I will be starting the stream now, but like I say, I do need to go and nip downstairs really quickly. So you're gonna have to give us a couple of minutes, and I will be back. But yeah, welcome back, guys. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everyone's had a good break, ready to smash it. But yeah, I do need to nip downstairs. The delivery will be here in 2 minutes. I've got like 10 liters of water coming, and I need to go and pick it up. It just came right now. Like it's just being delivered now. It's annoying, but it is what it is. I'll nip down. I'll be like 2-3 minutes, and I'll be back ready to start the session. In terms of gold, nothing much has happened at all. I'm using this range, but I'm gonna break that down in a second. I'll break that down in a second when I get back. But like I say, I'm just gonna put on here. Back in 5 mins. I'll probably be back in like 2 mins, guys, but just give us 5 minutes and I will be here. I just didn't want to keep you all waiting. But yeah, drop a like, guys. Drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Wes, welcome. Martin, welcome. Zach, Aaron, welcome, guys. Like I say, drop a comment, drop a like, and I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes, hopefully. But I have tweaked the stream. Guys, how's the stream? How's the stream health? How is it on your side? Is it not laggy? I've tweaked it a little bit, so it should be bob on now. But I will be back in 5 minutes. In a minute. When it gets close, I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys, alright? I'll go and get this. And yeah, bear with me. Back. Nice one. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're all good. So who's here? Yeah, perfect. Good stuff. Nice one, Wes. Good to see the stream health's good anyway. Right, yeah, we'll break this chart down now. Has anybody taken any positions today? What positions have people taken today? Like I say, that entry in the London session today was perfect. The entry here, like I say, it was for me anyway, it was a 15-minute impulse entry here, and yeah, it did run. It actually did run like 60 ticks, but I was more than happy to take profits at the liquidity highs that I had because gold was coming into a big level. But I will go over that later. Just seeing how many people we've got. Who's here? We've got 12 people. Nice. Yeah, I'll start in a second, guys. But yeah, welcome everybody. Gold's not doing much just yet. We're going to have to wait at least 5 minutes for a breakout. But yeah, first stream back. Welcome back to the stream, everyone. But yeah, let's right, yeah, I've got a decent amount here. Anyway, right, let's break this down. So for me on gold, looking at the 4 hourly, if you look at the 4 hourly, what is the 4 hourly doing? The 4 hour is actually very bullish right now. It's pushed up quite a lot. And if you look at how the 4 hour was formed recently, it actually, the prior 4 hour candle took its candle's low to its left and instantly pushed to the upsides. You can see here, liquidity grab, close bullish. The next 4 hour candle actually continued higher, another 100 ticks. Good to see that, you know, you're getting the liquidity grab. After the liquidity grab, you're getting the continuation higher. So for me, if I am going to short gold at any time today, it's going to have to be below some structure. And for me, that structure is 2636. 2636, you can see that we're using it for the longs today. And you can see that we're using it for the shorts now. Look, you can see resistance, 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 acting as support, pushed above it, acting as support to the upside. And you can even see to the left too. Look at it here. Collection of resistance, resistance, resistance here. Even if you look more to the left, support, big level 2636. I'm not going to be looking for sells at all, either until we create a new range, because gold can create new ranges, of course. If gold, for example, pushes up, creates a range like so in the next couple of hours, then yeah, you can have sells below this new range. But for now, with the price action that we're using and the price action that we've got, it is 2636 for me. Some people might have, or I know some guys in the community might have 2640 as the level for closes below. Well, yeah, you could have that as your level, but for me, with how bullish gold is recently, look at this bullish leg that we've had on gold. Yeah, this bullish leg that we've had on gold, yeah, you could have 2640 as your level, but look what you've got below it. You've got a level here, you've got a level here too. Like, if we close below 2640, there's two more levels that gold could come into and react away from. And when gold's bullish like it is now, I'm just happy to keep the range like so. You know, for sells below 2636, I'm very, very happy to have sells below there. You know, if we get back below there, you've still got a decent, look at that, 80 ticks into any sort of structure and these lows. Even into them lows, you've got like 50 ticks, which is fine for me. So yeah, for me today, sells, or in this session, sells below 2636. Okay. Okay, and yeah, the wine glass for the water, nice. But yeah, in terms of buying, where would I be looking to buy gold? Well, we've just created a new range now, which is great. When gold has a big push, I always wait for my new range, like so. Look, gold has its push, range. Gold's had its push, now we've created that new range. And for me, it's 2644 buys above. And yeah, it is recent resistance here. We've created that new range with recent resistance. But look what we've also got. Look to the left too. Look at this level. It's absolutely huge. Resistance, support. Look at this. Support, 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 support. It's big support. So, yeah, this is the range I've got. It looks like gold's actually trying to close above it now too, which is quite decent to see. What's the hourly saying? Have a look at the hourly. Hourly didn't take them laws too. Yeah, but like I say, closes back above 26.45, 26.44 level. I'll be looking to take out some of this liquidity to the upside here that we've still got to take, okay? So yeah, that would be buying targets for me today. You can see this level too, 26.44. Look at it to the left too. Like I say, normally, on gold, normally, I don't look too far to the left. But the problem that we've got now is that, yeah, we've got a little bit of resistance here, but what else have we got to work with buying levels? You've only got this little bit of resistance, and you have to actually, you're forced to look to the left a little bit. And I'm not looking into 2022 that far back. I'm only looking back a couple of months, like into December, back like 2 weeks into December here. And, you know, look, you've got a big level, and you can see it being respected here to the left. Like I said, I don't really look all the way back just to see how it reacts. Like, I'm normally, like, even today, I was using this little bit of this range here and this range here. But sometimes you do have to look at, like, a couple of weeks to the left, and that's just how it is sometimes. Like, right now, this is the cleanest range that we're working with. But, yeah, we've already taken buys today, which is great. 16 here. How's it going, guys? 16. Yeah, welcome. But, yeah, I've sorted the stream out. I've sorted the software. There was something to do with the bitrate in my OBS. That's why the stream were lagging now and again. But it should be bob on now. Yeah, it should be bob on. But yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment in the live. But yeah, if you've got any questions, put a question in. If you've got any comments, if you got any questions at all, let me know. But yeah, this is the range I'm playing. It's quite a big range, but I'm not really looking to sell gold. And yeah, to a certain extent, I have got a bias of only buys because buys do look good, but I'm really not. Like, gold could easily, and you could see it with the momentum. If the momentum kicks in like an hour and we close like so, I'll be looking for sells, and that's why I never really have a bias. To a certain extent, I do have a bias now because buys do look better, you know? Look how close buys are to setting up, you know? If we close back above 26.44, we're looking for buys into the liquidity above. Yeah, so to a certain extent, buys are more likely to set up for me, but I'm still exposed to both sides of the market because don't get me wrong, gold could reject this level now and in the next half an hour close like so. And if it closes like so below 26.36, I'm not just gonna sit here and let gold fall another 60 ticks. No, I'll be entering shorts. But yeah, like I say, I am open to both sides still. Don't think I am looking at this 4 hourly and saying no, I'm only looking for buys. No way. If gold somehow, like I say, rejects and pushes below this level, then yeah, I'll be looking for sells. And gold does that a lot of the time. Like, you can see even here after this push to the downside. Yeah, it's pushed down. You can only be looking for your sells, but look, as soon as price starts pushing above, like I say, you'd need a lot of momentum for now. But until gold creates that new range, for me, this is the range that I'm playing with. Because what could gold do? Gold could do something like this. If gold does something like this, then yeah, you can start looking for sells below here because you've created that structure and you've created the liquidity to target to. Let me just read these comments really quickly. Where's Let's Smash 2025? Yeah, let's smash it, bro. Zach, Happy New Year, my people, especially you, Kyle. Kyle? Kyle? Is Kyle here? Zach Walker. Oh, but yeah, guys, we've already taken a position in the community today. I know, and we've had 200k in funding passed, which is great. Like, guys, insane. But I took a long here, and I know like half of the community took the long here too. So many people took this long today. So many members took this long. But yeah, look at that. If you are using percentage risk, in one 15-minute candle, you've had a 6.5 R there. You know, one 15-minute candle, it actually ran 7.5 R. So you've made 7.5% based on that one position. But yeah, that was all called out, literally, smashed into my liquidity. I took about 20 ticks across 3 accounts. So I took like over 1k in 20 ticks. Hi Joe, happy new year, and let's send on the new year 100%, bro. Sean, 100%, mate. Sean, did you take that on an express too, that entry that I've just gone over here? Here, did you take this on an express account? I took it on my 350Ks. So, like I say, I only took 20 ticks, but 2 contracts on 3 accounts is like 1.2k, which is decent. Like I say, I could be done for the day, but US session's my session. We're going to smash it. But guys, like I say, anybody who's not in the Discord community, understand that all this is actually given in the market update video I do. Like, what you need to understand is that people who are in the community, I upload a market update, and I gave this range, and I gave these liquidity targets. So I know, like I say, I don't send signals or anything at all. I don't do signals at all. But based on the concepts that I teach, based on the market update videos I do and the updates that I do in the gold chart, you've got everything. You know, you've got the education, you've got the trade breakdowns. They're the education, so you can learn the full strategy. You've got my daily market update videos, and you've got my updates in the gold chart. That's everything that you need to do to be taking these positions like we caught here. And look at that. That's like 75 ticks in one 15-minute candle. And it's literally all there. All the targets were given to the left. My levels were given. All you need to do is learn the strategy, and then you're flying. Kyle's your biggest supporter who put me on to you. He's in the live now. Shout him out. Yeah, Kyle. Kyle put me on. Oh, did Kyle put you on? Nice. Yeah. Oh, Kyle. I think is it Kyle from Kyle? I think he messaged me on TikTok actually. Yeah, I remember Kyle. Yeah, nice. Yeah, shout Kyle out. Nice one for recommending. Yeah, mate. Got on both. New account on Express 400 up well. 800. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Beautiful. Good work, Sean, mate. Yeah, good work, man. I'm personally just, like I say, we've taken this position first day back, guys. You know, you've taken 20 ticks. Like, for me, it was 25 ticks. You know, my TP was here, just to the left. If you look, my actual TP was these little hourly highs here. To the left. 1 second. Bash. So depending on where your TP were, and depending on where you, like I say, as soon as it hit these levels at 2640 to the left, you go in break even. And I have my TP set at like 25 ticks into this structure to the left too. If you look at the 30-minute, we have big structure here. So I actually took my most of my partials at this structure above. You can see to the left, wicks. I just took it there, 25 ticks. I'm happy to get it in and out because it's not, like I said, for me, I've got 3 accounts, so it's not just 1 account, it's 3 accounts, so it's like 3 times the profit. But yeah, that was that trade for me. Like I say, you can start looking for your shorts here at 26.37. That's absolutely fine. That's probably a decent level, you know, look, resistance, acting as resistance, but, you know, if you close below 26.37, you're going to be closing below 26.36. So, anywhere from here, closes below. But yeah, this would be my range for now. I'd be really interested in trying to find these longs again. And it's good that we've got clear liquidity to the upside too. You know, you've still got like, look at the hourly. You've still got some clear liquidity here to take. And here too. You know, you've got like a triple top kind of there. News in 46 minutes, yeah. Neferoz, yeah, you're right, mate. But wait, welcome to the stream again, mate. Guys, let's smash the like. First stream of 2025. Let's do it. Let's get up to 15 today. New Year's, we want 15 every stream. We're on 8. Let's get 7 more. For now, this month, let's get 15 every stream. We're guaranteed wins as well. But yeah, if you haven't liked, like it, and guys, drop a comment if you've got any questions at all. Drop a question. Let's see who's about. But yeah, let's wait for some closes above this resistance. And then, yeah, we can start looking for them pushes higher. I'm going to delete that for now. Push that down, keep it clean. Like I say, you'll never see me with, like, indicators or anything too crazy. Keep it clean, you know. Been trading 7 years now. And the cleaner the chart, the more professional the trade, I'll tell you that for sure. You know, you'll see traders with, like, pie charts and line graphs on the charts. You're like, what are you doing? I'm joking. You don't see them with pie charts on or out, but it was just, it was only a joke. But you see them with some crazy stuff, and you're like, yeah, if it works, fair enough. But if you're just constantly losing, up and down, break even, like, ask yourself why. Nice one, guys, for likes. Appreciate you all. How many are here? We've got 20 here. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new thumbnail too. I'm getting a new thumbnail as well in the over the weekend. I've been talking to someone to do me a new YouTube live thumbnail, which is good. Yeah, so I'll probably have that maybe by next week, hopefully. Which is decent. Yeah, let's see if we get this closure. We've got the 15 actually did just close above, but the 15 is actually closing above now. So if the 30, let's see what the 30. Yeah, you kind of have. Let's just see how this 30 closes. That's probably the next entry for me now. The next entry for me will be this next 30 closure in 13 minutes, and that will actually be the hourly close too. But I won't have any. I'll probably just wait for confirmation above this range if we get the 15 closure. Because it is getting a bit messy. Like I say, look at it. Look at this level. Bang. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Breaking above. You should see the continuation higher if you close above. And don't do a retail. Don't do what retail will be doing now. What you'll see retail doing now is a lot of retail traders will be starting to buy now. And they'll have the stop loss below the level, like so. And yeah, it could be right. Don't get me wrong. It's like a 50-50. Because what you could find is that gold will just continue with its momentum and continue higher. But the problem is with just buying when you've seen a bullish candle break out like so, is that without waiting for the closure, gold could just wick down, reject this level again, and continue to the downside like so, okay? So yeah, this closure is only confirmed when you get the break and closure above the level of this prior resistance. And look to the left too. Look to the left here. And look at this, right? Let me show you the 30 really quickly. Look at this, bang. So anybody sell this bearish candle here, one point would have been very bearish. Retail start loading shorts up, bang, reverses. Because what does it do? It doesn't close below properly. Okay? And it's the same here now. Yeah, it looks bullish, don't get me wrong, but it's only confirmed once it closes above. Yeah, nice one for the lights, guys. Appreciate you all. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to get for the New York session. New York has been quite decent in over the Christmas break, to be honest with you. Like, yeah, London, New York has been pushing quite a little bit. But, like I say, we have got news in 40 minutes. But we'll see. See what happens. Quite big news too. Have we taken any? Yeah, if news comes close to this liquidity to the left, you're probably going to see a spike up and then some of these lows taken. Because what we've actually got, you've got built liquidity to the downside too, look. Look at this. These lows, these lows, these lows, all need taken. So you're probably going to see a little pullback on news. But for me, I'm not going to be here trying to catch that. I'm just going to wait for this closure and react to that little push. You know, if we get 20 ticks there, it's only 50. But even if we catch 20 ticks there, that's 40 ticks for the day, which is great. Mesa, hey bro, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, Mesa, too. And anybody here, Happy New Year. Hope you've all had a great one. And yeah, let's crush 2025. Seriously. We're about to get onto different levels. Everybody. I had silver short in London, 1040 USD profit. Oh, nice, Messi. Good work, bro. Yeah, good work, man. Nice one. On what? Short silver, XAG. I haven't traded silver in so long. I know it's XAG, obviously. Where did you hear, Messi, in London? Yeah, this push down. What time frame did you enter on, bro? Yeah, it rejected that level nicely. Look at that. Look at that range on gold. Closes below, pushes down. On silver, sorry. Yeah, what were your time frame, Messer? Yeah, that push down's clean, to be fair. 5 minutes. Let's have a look at the 5 really quickly. Before I get back onto gold. Yeah, that was it there. Yeah, nice. That push down. Bang. Beautiful. Like I say, I don't know what your entry criteria is, Messer, but yeah, beautiful push. Catching that. Nice. Bang. Good work, man. Oh, look at that. 5 minute instantly push down on gold. Yeah, it's gonna come and push into this low here and create that bottom wick on the 15. Yeah, that was it. Good stuff. Good work. Good though. Good stuff, Messi. Like I say, and look at this now. Like I literally just mentioned when price was up here. You'll see retail will see a green candle like so, and they'll just instantly start buying it with no real reason apart from that it looks like it's going to close above this level. Yeah, like I say, gold is 50-50. It could do, but what gold likes to do is tech liquidity like we have now, react from these levels and close bearish, and they're in drawdown because they just haven't waited for that candle to close. Very, very big retail trap. And that's why I never enter markets on buy limits, sell limits, limit orders as well, and market executions, because because like say you've got an order in here, what's to say price is going to come into this level, then reverse? Stops is the only way. Sell and buy stops is the only way to catch the true momentum. If you're buying or selling, say for example, just got to buy a sell limit here. You're not catching the momentum. You're trying to sell away from the momentum. Yeah, we've got... the hourly's closing soon. What's the 4 hourly saying? 4 hourly's got an hour on it too. Like I say, you could enter some 4 hourly impulse entries, but you'd have to wait for this 4 hour to close. Look, you've taken liquidity there. you'd have to wait for this next 4 hour to close. If this next 4 hour closes above this level, then yeah, you've got 4 hourly impulse too. It's not often you see it, but it is, you do see it sometimes. Like you had it here too, 4 hourly impulse here. I'm personally going to wait now. If there's going to be any entries, it'll be in 5 minutes after this 30 closes. But I'd like to see a decent closure here. Right now it's wicking taking liquidity. Let me just check. Nice. Maybe it will make a bigger long... Yeah, I mentioned that to the Discord community this morning, and they've already started to get smashed, the levels that I mentioned. Something that I mentioned was look what the weekly's doing. The weekly's taken the prior week low on gold, and look what it's done now. And I mentioned it when gold was literally here this morning, around here. I mentioned that these weekly highs, last week's weekly highs are very likely to get taken, and then after this, you've got the week before it, so 2 weeks ago, like here. So look at what gold's done. It's taken these lows here, as mentioned, and now it's starting to set the prior week's weekly highs, and then the week after that, weekly highs too. So if I do see any more longs on gold this week, it will be into the weekly highs to the left here too. Okay, but I would like to see some sort of pullback on gold. It is sort of like trending really well. I do expect to pull back before continuation, you know, trend line liquidity. Saf, afternoon bro, how's it going? Welcome Saf. Have you taken any trades today, Saf, mate? But yeah, guys, for me on gold, it's the same range. Buys above 26.44, sells below, you know, 26.35, 26.37 area here. Nothing's changed on my range until, you know, gold does some. If gold does something like this, then yeah, the range will change. But for now, it hasn't created that range. Or for example, it breaks above and then ranges like so, and then you've got a new range there. But until that forms, this is the range that we're playing with. And what you tend to find on gold as well, when you've had a push, if it's quite a big push and the leg's quite big like we've got here, the range will be bigger. You know, like look here, for example, you've got a smaller range here because, you know, it's choppy price action. I've only taken one trade today and it was a win. You know, 25 ticks and done. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. Yeah, guys, let's smash 10 lights. If you haven't liked already, get one in. We're only on 10. Let's get it above 10. Let's smash 15. 10 was 2024. We're in 2025 now. This is the new year. This is 15 likes per stream, guys. Just crush it. Let's go. Yeah, but US volume's not been it recently. Today. The US volume, you know, London going into US, it's not been too much happening. We have taken that liquidity there, to be fair. Could find some half risk shorts. Just gonna wait really. I'm just gonna see how this closes in 2 minutes. Okay. Just one win and one loss. Yeah, good work, Saf. Good work, mate. Yeah, good work, Saf, mate. Yeah, just the one trade for me. That one win that I put into the community is the only position I've taken. And we could potentially be on for some half risk shorts. I'm just a bit concerned with the level that we've got here too. But the actual range, I'd like just to stick to full risk, to be fair, today. We've taken a win already. There's no need to try and give any of that back. But like I say, and like I literally mentioned this like 10 minutes ago, I said retail will be going long now, looking like we're going to close above, and look what's happened. They've been stopped out now. What happens now? They've been stopped out of the market. What happens now? The real move to the downside will happen, and then the real move to the upside will happen, and they'll miss that move because they've taken 2 or 3 losses on the way up and the way down, trying to guess and trying to predict. They're doing too much predicting. You know, they're predicting here that price is going to continue higher with no closure. You've literally got no closure or anything, and price is taking your stop. You know, react to what the market does. Stop predicting. You know, anybody predicting that price is going to continue higher here, or price is going to continue higher here, guess what? You've taken a stop loss there, and guess what's happened now? They predicted that price is going to continue higher with no closure, have the stops below the level, and look, they've taken another stop loss. That's not what we do. We wait for the closure. Once we've had the closure, then we enter the market long. Because that's straight down, taking all that liquidity. Is that the hourly as well? Yeah, look at that, hourly. Horrible range. We are coming into the London Open now. You know, we've got 30 minutes, and then we are starting London. We're starting to come into the US. 30 minutes, and we'll be into the US anyway. But like I say, US has just opened. See what happens. But this is definitely the range I'm using now. You can see now why this is the range, because look, not just here it's acted as resistance, it's acted as resistance here too. So buys with closures above here is very, very clean for me. And that could happen in the next 15 minute. If this 15 minute closes bullish back above this range, then yeah, I'll be long. So yeah, like I say, we'll wait for that closure and then we'll enter with the close. But yeah, I'm not interested in sells at all today, really. Just with how that 4 hours looking. Look at the 4 hourly. The only way I would be interested in sells is if news did something in the next 30 minutes and price closed below 26.37. Yeah, news in half an hour. Yeah, Ron, you're right, mate. What I'll do is I'll just stay on for news. I'll give you all a news call like I always do. We normally get the news bang on. But I need to see, and news for me, it's not, guys, I don't just guess news. Like when I don't trade news personally, but I don't just guess what I think news is going to do and get it right most of the time. I understand what the market's doing 15, 20 minutes before news. Okay? So now, like, yeah, I do get news right, I'd say 70 to 80% of the time. I don't trade it because I haven't got enough data on it. But I look at what the market does. Like, look at the last 4 or 5 streams where it's been news. You know, they've all been right. They've all been correct. Or they've been right for, say, the first 5-10 minutes where the pushes have taken liquidity. I look to see what the news is the price is doing. What will retail be doing prior to the news? That's what you need to ask yourself. And yeah, price normally goes in the opposite direction of what retail do. But yeah, Ron, welcome, bro, welcome. I'm happy the stream is bang on too now. Like, I had to tweak a few settings. Which is good. It weren't even anything crazy too. It was literally just one or two settings. But yeah, 4 hourly. Like I say, I'm not going against that 4 hourly push. Look at that. The only like I mentioned before, the only way I'd go is if we close below this level here. Then I'll go against it. But for now, until we create a new range or until new price action forms, I can't really look for sells. And anybody who's got a range here, because someone in the community put a range in like so. And yeah, don't get me wrong, this is a very, very valid range. For buys, of course, I've got the same level, 2644. For buys, it's perfect. For sells, it's valid. There's nothing wrong with this range. But just keep in mind that if you do get a closure below 2640, you've got a level here at 2638, and you've also got a level here at 2636. So if you do get your close below, you could get reversed on there, and you could get reversed on there. So for me, I'm just going to keep this level here at 2636. Okay. But yeah, like I say, we'll keep it a little tighter here for now. On the 30. Very clean. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. We've hit 10. Good work. Let's try and get 15. We need 5 more. If you've just joined, drop one. Let's get to 15. You know. Nice one for 10 though. Yeah, if this 15 closes bullish back above 2644, I'm definitely happy to look for longs, but keep in mind, you've got news in 25 minutes. Yeah, I've got news in 25 minutes, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to let news pass. It's the first session back, and it's the first proper trading day of the new year after a 4 or 5 day break of trading. So, you know, we've taken a win. There's no need to push it. You know, it's Friday tomorrow. Then we've got another weekend, but we'll see. Just see out the week. You know, see out the week, good guys. Take a couple of trades, 2 or 3 trades for the Thursday and the Friday. Maybe a couple of wins. Go into the weekend, confidence high, and into the new week of the new year anyway. The first new week of the new year. Like I say, gold for me will be buys back above 26.45. Because retail have actually been stopped out now within this range, trying to trade it. Something I need to look at as well. But yeah, guys, how is everybody doing? Like I say, drop a comment if you've just joined. Who's still here as well? Let's see who's here. Drop a comment. If you've got any questions, let me know. And let me know how have your day been too. How's everyone's day been? Trades, wins, losses. What did you do over the new year? Anything? Let me know. But yeah, let's see what gold. If the volume's going to be there, like I said, I'm probably going to wait till news now. But it will wait. I'll put a poll out in a second too. See what news he's going to do. See what everyone thinks. Back in a second. Sticking my charger in. Dun, 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 dun. One sec, guys. One sec, Wes. Let me have a look at your comment. I've seen it. Hey, cheers for the subscribers, guys. If you're not subscribed as well, drop a subscribe. I'm not a huge car guy, but anyone seen the 2026 Tesla Model S? No, I've not seen it, Wes. I'll have a look at that now, actually. I'll have an update my goals, Joe. Oh, nice. I'll have to update my goals, Joe. Oh, the Tesla Model S. Your goals long term. Good stuff. Yeah, good work, Wes, man. Beautiful. Yeah, the goals as well have been great. Everyone who's posted about the goals in the Discord, the members in the Discord, good stuff. Good to see. Yeah, good work. Not much happening on gold coming into news. We've got 20 minutes until news and nothing's happened. Literally, since I jumped on here, that's what's happened. London was very nice. London moved nice. You had a decent push here to catch Summit, and you had a decent push here to catch Summit too. So there were actually a couple of positions to trade there. But yeah, Wes, like I say, I've seen it. Everyone who has sent me the goals for the 2025 in the Discord community, I have seen them. I will be working my way through them after the YouTube live. Such a good idea. Yeah, we can do reviews every 3 to 6 months. You know, even every month, you know. It's definitely a good thing to do. It's literally all about sticking to the plan, though. You know, if you stick to the plan, all them goals and aspirations, they'll all just come naturally. You know, if you focus on the goals, obviously you need to focus on the goals, which is great. It's a great thing to have goals. One sec, something just happened then. Yeah, it should be alright, guys. Just give it 2 minutes. Yeah, my connection just went down a little bit then. Yeah, nice one for the people who subscribe. Nice one. Road to 500 soon. 49 more. We're at 500, which is good. 20 people here now. Nice. Good to see people here. 20 people's great. Like I say, anyone's got any questions, let me know. Drop a subscribe, drop a like. And if you want to join the community, get involved in the community too. You know, make 2025 your year, guys. There's no need to be playing it safe. If you've got the like I say, smash it. Ooh, 4 hourly. Look at that. Wicking up, taking liquidity and pushing down now. Owly just instantly pushed down. It created like a very, very, very small top wick here. Look at that. Like a tick. Not even a tick. What were it? It was like... Yeah, it was like one tick. One tick top wick before pushing down. So could that be created at some point? Possibly. You know, we've got 44 minutes left. So yeah, News could push up and give it more of a top wick. Has anyone put out in the community? No. Like I say, we've got news in 40 minutes, guys. Yeah, we should be back on now though. I've just put the live back into the Telegram if people. But yeah, I've been waiting for this hourly now. Not much to do until, you know, this news passes in 15 minutes. So, you know, like I say, I've got some valid half risk shorts there too. If it does flip down, so you'd be playing the wick high, which is like 10 ticks. You're probably going to see it push down a little bit more, to be honest, into some levels below market, but I'm not taking anything within this range. You know, it's been quite bullish all day. I only want to be selling really at least below this 30-minute level at here, 26.38. But could you see a little bit more of a push? Yeah, you could. Stream's okay again. Yeah, it did. My connection dropped out for like 30 seconds. But yeah, that 30 is clean for half risk. Look, you've taken your liquidity, you've closed below, but I prefer a closure below here. You know, you could manage into that level, to be fair. Look at that, you got 10 ticks into that level, but for the sake of 10 ticks, I'm already up like 25 ticks. There's no need to be trying to force that, but it is clean for sure. It's half risk. You know, I'd like to be, you'd even be break even now, to be honest. If it's going to push and reverse there, it's probably going to hit your stop loss. You've got a decent little runner pre-news there. Look at that. Nice little trade, to be fair, that. You know, your liquidity grab, that's your closure. Your entry on the flip of the next candle, down, bang. Yeah, we got news in 11 minutes, but that was super clean. Look at that. It's actually pushed 20 ticks. It pushed 20 ticks, so you'd definitely be taking partials coming into that level anyway. So if you did take any of this short, I'd 100% manage break even. And I would have taken partials, to be honest with you, at 21 ticks. Because you're probably going to get break even now anyway. But this was clean. This was a clean short, to be honest with you. Yeah, this was a clean short. But to be like I say, the problem was that you're coming into like 3 different levels here, like where price could reverse, and it's just not worth the risk when you've taken a win already today. You know, I just use them when you're up already. Just use them high probability levels where you're gonna get the most guaranteed move. And that is, for me, below 26.36. And that's actually a 30 clause in a second too, but it's coming on news, it's annoying. Stream's okay again. Yeah, it did. Like I say, I know it did because my chart froze. When my chart froze, I checked and it did drop out for like 20, 30 seconds, but it is back. It is back all good now. Trendline liquidity just taken. Yeah, like I say, like I mentioned before, Wes, yeah, it did. It has been taken, to be fair. You know, look, touch 1. You are coming into that touch 3 now. Depending on where you start your trend line from. If you start it from here, then yeah, it's been taken. But you're probably going to see a little bit more of this liquidity to the downside taken with this news, to be fair. So, any predictions for the news? Yeah, for the news, now we are pushing down. The thing that I'm seeing on gold now, we are pushing down pre-news. We've got 9 minutes. And for me now on gold, is there any clear direction for where news could go? One thing that I do think gold's going to come and do in this news is push into this hourly Norwick high here. So for me, if I was predicting news, it'd be longing into that hourly Norwick high, which will probably get taken, which from where we are now is probably like 45 ticks away. So I'd probably just say for gold to go and create that high, which is like 45 ticks away. Now we'd push down pre-news. But in terms of is there any liquidity to take above market? Yeah, there still is liquidity to take above market. But yeah, for news, I'd probably say push down to then continue higher. Okay? That's what I'd say on gold. Yeah, same for me, Ron. I don't see anything super clean for news too. It's super, super poor price action. Seriously. It's not clean at all. And what I'd like to see is something like this. Well, after news, I'll come off stream. And what I'd like to see is something like this, you know. If we create something like that, perfect. That is a perfect range. If price can, for example, on news, not do much, which is unlikely. If price can, like, for example, do something like this, then perfect. We've got buys back above here, and I'll be selling back below this level here, which is perfect. So that would be something that I'd be looking for on news. And then what have you got? You've got your new created liquidity above market here. And obviously you can, one sec. And obviously you've got your sells down into these lows here. So yeah, that's something I'd be looking for on news if this got created. But for now, like I said, we can keep that on. But I need to see if this is the new range. I'll have to wait for this close. It possibly could be. Yeah, Ron, there is a small wick on the hourly. There is a small wick, but I do think it'll create a bigger one. You know, it's only like look at the hourly. The hourly's got 35 minutes left. It hasn't created a top wick yet. I do think it'll come and create more of one. Yeah, there is no obvious target too on gold. The only thing that you've really got is some trendline liquidity coming in here, which is clean. You've got some trendline liquidity here, which price could push down into. But what I'm seeing on gold really is not much. I can't really give a clear direction on news. There's nothing I'm really confident on news. So I am gonna sit out of this one. I'm not really gonna give any sort of direction. But what I would say is if I was, I'd potentially see this drive down, take these lows to continue higher. That's probably what I would say. You know, or to create that top wick there on this hourly. Could just shoot up straight away. We'll see anyway. Hey Joe, all the best for 2025, everyone. Let's smash it. Yeah, Dean, welcome back to the streams, bro. First stream of 2025. Yeah, good stuff. And the first trade in the community, or the first trade I've taken this year was a win, which is great. You too, Dean. Yeah. Happy New Year, Dean. Happy New Year, everyone. Guys, if you've not dropped a like, drop a like on the video. We're at 11. Let's get it up. Let's get the likes up, guys. If you've just joined, drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment. Let's see who's here too. See what this news does in when is it? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. But I'm gonna put a poll out. I'm gonna put news, and I'm gonna put. I've just put up or down. You know, bullish or bearish. I've just put the poll out, guys. Drop what you think news will do. But yeah. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think news will do. Let me know. But yeah, I've been live for an hour and 15. Been a decent session so far already. But I will stay on, see what news does. I reckon it'll sweep lower and then go up. Yeah, potentially. Something that you don't really see on gold is this. You know, this is very, very clean. I think there will be a point where price will come and break this and then continue higher. Like, it's not very often where you see gold. Like, even here, look, like, yeah, it was moving clean, and then look what price did. It pushed up, didn't really continue this bullish push, and then it continued down. So yeah, you could probably see the push down before continuation higher for sure. But yeah, for me, I think longs overall on news just to create this top wick here. But like I say, I'm not going to keep it as a bias because anything could happen in. There's not really any clear targets too. But this is the new range for me anyway, coming into news. Buys above here, sells below. What's everyone saying? Everyone thinks up. 80% up. 5 votes, 20% down. Nice. Bearish, should I say. Yeah, let's see what this news does, guys. We've got 2 minutes until news. I think we could push higher, you know. But like I say, we'll see. See what news does, guys. Like I say, 83%. I'm going to end the poll here. 83% think it's bullish. Potentially could be. Yeah, 50 seconds here, guys. Don't be doing anything crazy. Like I say, preserve your capital. It's like the end of the week, start of the year, kind of. There's no need to be forcing positions on a Thursday and a Friday when you've got the weekend coming up as well. You know, wait for them high probability positions, and that's what we've done today. There's been like 3 or 4 potential entries on this push up today. You know, I've only caught one of them, but there were like 2 or 3 entries at least. Will there be more today? Probably. Just wait. You know, there's no need to be trading news. Look at that. Straight down. Nice break and retest. Yeah, so many here. A lot of retail will be going short here too. Retesting this structure, they'll be going short here where with the stops above, like so. Like I say, we don't know what's going to happen. We know, like I say, is it going to be volatile or not? No one knows. But for me, this is definitely the new range. Yeah, I'm happy it has actually created this, like I mentioned before. So if we do close back above here, then I am going to be looking for longs higher. No, I meant 26.36. Oh, here, yeah. Like I say, it did as well. Many would have been stopped out though. Many traders would have been stopped out already trying to buy here, not sell. But yeah, for me now, buys back above here. For me, buys back above 26.40, and if we can close below here, I'll be looking for the sells down. Yeah, but as I mentioned before, there wasn't really anything on news that was piquing my interest to even give it a go of what I thought. Like, it's just pointless. Look at it. It's done nothing anyway. But yeah, this is what I'm waiting for now. I'll be waiting for this range to break or close out of this. Close out of this level here. Look at that, instantly down. Did it even create a top weight? No, instantly pushed down. What is Bitcoin doing? Ooh, Bitcoin. Decent little push up there on Bitcoin. Most cryptos pushed today. Bitcoin. What about Solana? Wow, yeah. Crypto's flying. XRP. Any of my... Yeah, my next partial on XRP is all-time highs. Is it even on this chart? No, it's not even on this chart. It's like $3.50 up here. Still running a little bit of that. Anyway, we'll go back to gold. Oh, yeah, right. Let's wait. Guys, if we can get back above 26.40, then yeah. I'm going to wait for this 15 to close. I'll need to wait for a closure back above. If we get back above here, then yeah, I'm going to be looking to long into this liquidity here. I'm going to stay on for this next 15. If it doesn't close above, then I'm going to head off and just stay active in the community. But we'll wait for this 15 to close. Okay. I've got to go. Good first day back on the charts. Good luck all. Yeah, good stuff, Wes. Thanks for the stream, Joe. No problem at all, mate. Like I say, guys, if you've just joined, back every day, same time, 12:30 UK time. But yeah, I'm going to be waiting for this 15 to close. It would also be decent because then it would be the hourly flipping as well. You know, if we get that entry, the hourly flips, you can get that push into these highs here, which would be clean. Just need to wait for this 15 now. I've got a bit of a minor level there too. Not really interested in that though. Let's see what this next 10 minutes does. But you are probably, you are going to create that top wick on this 15 at least, which you have just created a little one then, look. You have just created it there and then rejected away. But you'd expect it to create it on the next one too. So you don't want to get chopped about too much in here. Let me just update the community really quickly with my range. Yes, guys, welcome. Yeah, drop a like, guys, if you've just joined, drop a like. Appreciate you all. Nice one. I'm not sure, to be honest. But yeah, I'm waiting for this range closure. I'm going to give it 8 minutes. Let's see what this next 8 minutes, this 15-minute closure does in 8 minutes. Like I say, if we do close above, I'll be executing them longs into the liquidity above. If not, I'll just stay active in the community, guys. Community members, stay active there. Keep you updated on when I do enter something. But look at this level. It's actually a great range here. Look, collection of laws here for the support, acting as resistance here. But look at this level here too. Very, very clean. Very clean range right now. It's good to see on gold too. Recently, it's not been super clean for ranges as well on gold. Especially here. Start of the week on Tuesday. Especially on Tuesday, there was literally no clear range. Very, very choppy. Now it's actually a bit clearer. But yeah, I'd like this 30 to close above as well. If this 15 and 30 can close above, then nice. Yeah, let's see. We've got 6 minutes here. It's got 6 minutes. I'd like a nice bullish green candle close here. I just enter on the next 15 higher. And you've got like 45 ticks into them highs, which is good. Yo, Govia, Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year to you as well, man. And congrats on your 150k pass. That's insane, mate. Seriously, you can sit on that now, build it up, get to your 30 days, and you'll be chilling. Good stuff, man. Yeah, good stuff, bro. I bet you're buzzing with that 150k pass, aren't you, mate? But yeah, Happy New Year to you as well, bro. Happy New Year to you as well. That's what we do though, guys. Seriously. It's the difference in communities that you've been in before. Like, you know. Was difficult over Christmas, but stayed with what you taught me. Yeah, good stuff, Chris, man. Good stuff, mate. Yeah, that's it. Literally stick to the plan, and you know, and I say this to so many members as well. Like, if you just stick to the plan, and if you're not bothered about leaving, like, you just need to take every setup just needs to be to the plan, whether you win, lose, or break even. Like, don't let it affect you. I know it's hard, but over time you just understand it. Over time you just understand. Um, Over time you just understand that trading to the plan and not being too bothered, win loss, onto the next trade. That's the turning point for most. Hello guys, David, how's it going, mate? How are you, bro? David, where are you from, mate? Yeah, literally, even if you take like a break even or a loss, don't let it affect you. Just on to the next one. Seriously, on to the next trade. If you take a win, on to the next one. Don't like be too happy about a win. Be level, be level with every position, every trade, and every position that you take. Czech Republic, nice, good stuff, David. Yeah, welcome to the stream, mate. Like I say, guys, if you've just joined the stream, if you're new, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and join into the daily streams that I do. I'm going to wait for this 15 to close here. Anybody wants to join the Discord community, learn the full strategy, get involved in the members chats, and have my personal contact, join the Discord community. I've just linked it into the YouTube comments. I've just linked it twice into the YouTube comments. Click that link and join the join the Discord community. Everything's there to be fully profitable, like myself. Oh, nice. David, I'm pretty new here. I entered the giveaway recently and started watching you. Yeah, good stuff, David. Good stuff, mate. Yeah, welcome to the streams too. Like I say, anybody who did enter the giveaway and if you do want to join the Discord community, feel free to join. Like I've just linked it twice. You can join there, mate. Joe, is 200 days when it's wait until 30 days? No, Chris, on any account, 50k, 100 or 150, on any accounts, 200 days, then you get a payout. I personally just trade it now. What I'm doing is I'm going to trade it to 200 days and then start taking payouts. But yeah, guys, if you do want to join the community, everything you need is there in the community, seriously. So literally take the step. Don't go into 2025. You know, don't half-heart it. Go all in. Seriously, guys, you won't regret it. You know, new year. Crush it. Let's crush it. And literally everything in the community, everything's there in the community for you to crush it. Members chats, trading calls. I've got like 3-4 more videos I need to upload in that. So many trade breakdowns. My members Zoom calls. All the recordings are there. My contact to message me any questions. Members chats to answer any questions. Everything's there. But don't look like the 15 is gonna close here, guys. I'm gonna head off if it doesn't close above. You know, I've been on for an hour and a half now. Okay, makes sense. Get it to 150. Yeah, exactly what Chris. Get it to 156k. Anything above that, just take your take your payouts from there. That's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do. But don't go, literally, guys, don't go into 2025. Like, it's a new year. Obviously, your mindset doesn't need to change too much. It's only a new year, but don't do the same things. Like, if you've been trading for so long and you're just not seeing it work 3 or 4 years, something needs to change. Like, take the step. Like, I trade live every single day. There's 90 YouTube lives of me trading live. Watch all of them if you want to. I can show you that I can trade live. You know, 75% win rate. It's not just there magically. That's all the trades that I've taken. on just on YouTube Live for an hour and a half per day. So, okay, makes sense. Get it to 150. Yeah. Will the maximum loss limit be 150k? Yeah, Chris, it will. It trails until you. It trails until you're Yeah, it trails until you take a withdrawal. When you take a withdrawal, it trails as well. So if you get to like 3k profit and take a withdrawal, it trails too. H1 engulfing. Yeah, not Messer, not for me, mate. I'm not, like I say, I'm going to head off now. But what I'm going to be looking for is I'll only be looking to buy back above here. And I'll only be looking for sells back below here. You know, look at gold. It's respecting these levels prior as resistance and support, now as support. This is a beautiful range and a very nice range to work within now. Don't be looking to do anything within here, okay? For me personally, you'll get chopped about too much. Wait for a break above here. Wait for a break above 26.40. Then you've got your clean longs into this liquidity above. Nice 60 ticks there. If you get a nice clean close below, take shorts. Well, I'll be taking shorts into these lows here, okay? So that's what I'm looking at. Anybody on YouTube, see you there tomorrow. Be careful, mate. If it's closed, I will short. Yeah, good stuff, man. Same for me. If it closes below 26.36, I'm going to be looking for them shorts down. Back above 26.40, I'll be looking for the buys back up. But yeah, guys, YouTube guys, I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 12:30. Anybody in the community, I'll see you in the next 5-10 minutes. I'll update you if anything happens. But I'm going to wait for this 30 to close in 13 minutes. And YouTube, Discord, I will update you with what I'm seeing, okay? So everyone take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys? In a bit. How's it going? In a bit, guys. Bye-bye. Yeah, like I say, if you're new, drop a like, drop a subscribe. See you all tomorrow, guys. Don't miss out on the free YouTube lives. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.